Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel MathMula. Today we learn solving simultaneous linear equation in two variables by graphical method. Let's start. This is a pair of linear equation. That means a simultaneous linear equation. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. While a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0 and a2 square b2 square not equal to 0. And a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are all real numbers. Okay. Now we can solve this system of linear equation by graphical method and by algebraical method. So today we learn how can we solve this system of linear equation or simultaneous linear equation by graphical method. Graphical method. Now this is first line and this is second line, L1 and L2. If L1 and L2 intersect at a point, then it has unique solution and the system is consistent system. The second, from the graph we can say if L1 and L2 coincident, then it has infinitely many solutions and the system is again consistent system. And for the third condition, if L1 and L2 are parallel, then it has no solution and the system is inconsistent system. That's it. That means there is two type of simultaneous linear equation. One is consistent, another is inconsistent. Now for consistent system, there is two type of lines. First is intersecting and second is coincident. If the lines are intersecting lines, then it has only one solution, and if the lines are coincident line, then it has infinitely many solutions. And for inconsistent system, there is one type of lines, that is parallel lines. That means it has no solutions. Now we solve some important sums by graphical method from the book Addition exercise 3.2. Now we solve sum number 10. Solve the system of equations graphically. 2x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Now we solve this sum. First mark this equation 1 and 2. First we have to find out the coordinates of 3 points for each line. Then we have to plot this coordinate in graph and we draw the lines. So for finding the coordinates, we have to express the variable y in terms of x. Okay, from equation 1, 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. That is 3y equals to minus 2x minus 5. That is y equals to minus 2x minus 5 by 3. Okay, now we put some integral value of x and try to find an integral value of y. Now for x is equals to minus y, y equals to minus plus 2 minus 5 by 3, that is minus 3 by 3, is equals to 1. Now for x is equal to minus 4, then y is equals to, we get minus plus 8 minus 5 by 3, this is equals to 3 by 3, that is 1. And for x equals to 2, y equals to 2 to the 4 minus 5 by 3, that is minus 9 by 3, this is equals to minus 3. Then we get a table. This is x, y, and this is x comma y, the coordinate of this point. Now for x equals to minus 1, we get y equals to minus 1 and the coordinate will be minus 1 comma minus 1. And x equals to minus 4, we get y equals to 1 and that is minus 4 comma 1. And for x equals to 2, y equals to minus 3, that is 2 comma minus 3. Okay. Now for the second equation, that is 2y equals to 3x minus 12, that is y equals to 3x minus 12 by 2. Now for x equals to 0, we can write y equals to minus 12 by 2, that is minus 6. Now for x equals to 2, then we get 3 to the 6 minus 12, then y equals to 6 minus 12 by 2, that is minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. Now for x is equals to 4, then y will be 4 to the 12 minus 12 by 2, that is 0 by 2, that is 0. Again we get a table. For x equals to 0, we get y equals to minus 6, that is 0 comma minus 6. For x equals to 2, we get y equals to minus 3, that is 2 comma minus 3. Now for x equals to 4 and y equals to 0, we get 4 comma 0. Now we plot these points on the graph paper and draw two lines. Now we plot this point in this graph paper and draw the lines. First we draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. And this is x, this is x prime, this is y, and this is y prime. And the intersecting point of these two lines is called origin. And the coordinate of this origin is 0, 0. And these two lines divided this space in four parts. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Right side of the x-axis is positive x-axis and the left side of x-axis is called negative x-axis, and the upper part of y-axis is called positive y-axis and the lower part of y-axis is called negative y-axis. Okay, now we consider one small square is equals to 1 unit. That means one small square like this is 1 unit. You have to draw this graph by scale and pencil, not pen. I draw this graph by pen because its visibility is better. Now we plot the points for the first equation. First coordinate is minus 1 comma minus 1, that is this point, and the second coordinate is minus 4 comma 1, that is x equals to minus 4, that is 1 2 3 4, and y equals to 1, that is positive 1, this point. Then next point is 2 comma minus 3, this point. Now mark it. Now we join these 3 points by the scale, and this is the required graph of the given equation number 1. Now we draw the second equation, and the coordinates of second equation are 0 comma minus 6, that is x equals to 0 and y equals to minus 6, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, this point. And the next coordinate is 2 comma minus 3, that is x equals to 2 y comma minus 3, this point also. And the next 4 comma 0 on this x-axis. Now we join these 3 points. Now I put arrow at the end of the line because this is a line, not a line segment. Okay, now we can see 2 comma minus 3, and this is the intersecting point of these two lines. So the solution is x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3. That's it. Now we solve sum number 22.1. Solve the systems of linear equations graphically. Also find the coordinates of the points where the lines meet axis of y. And the given equations are 2x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. This is number 1. This is number 2. From 1, 5y is equals to 2x plus 4. That is y equals 2x plus 4 by 5. Now first we try to put the value of x is 0. Then 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3 in this order. Okay, now for x is equals to minus 2, then y equals to minus 2, that is minus 4 plus 4 by 5 is equals to 0. Now for x is equals to 3, then y equals to 3 to the 6 plus 4 by 5, that is 10 by 5, that is 2. Now for x equals to minus 7, y equals to minus 7, that is it will be minus 14 plus 4 by 5, that is minus 10 by 5, that is minus 2. Then we get a table. Okay, now we solve for the equation 2. We get y equals to 8 minus 2x. For x is equals to 0, then we get y equals to 8. For x is equals to 1, then we get y equals to 8 minus 2, that is 6. For x equals to 3, then we get y equals to 8 minus 3 to the 6, that is 2. Now we get a table. Now we plot these points on the graph and draw the lines and find the intersecting point and the y-intercept. Now this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now we plot the points for equation 1. from the first table, that is minus 2 comma 0, that is x equals to 1 2 minus 2 and y equals to 0, that is this point. And next 3 comma 2, that is x equals to 3, y equals to 2, 1 2 3 1 2, this point. And the next coordinate is minus 7 comma minus 2, this point. Now we join these 3 points by a scale. And this is the required graph of the first equation. And now we plot the points from the second equation, that is 0 comma 8, x0, y equals to 8, that is this point. And the next point is 1 comma 6, that is x equals to 1, y equals to 6, 5 6, this point. And next 3 comma 2, this point. Now join these 3 points, and this point is 3 comma 2, and this is first equation and this is second equation. And the solution of this equation are x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. And the next question is find the coordinates of the points where the lines meet the axis y. Now this is y axis, and the first line met this y axis in this point, and the coordinate of this point is x is 0 and y is positive 1. For equation 1, 0 comma minus 1, and the intercept of y axis by the second line 0 comma 8. That's it. Now we solve sum number 26. Solve the system of equations graphically, and the system of equation is given 4x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 20 and 4x plus 3y minus 20 is equals to 0. Find the area bounded by these lines and x-axis. Let's solve. Equation number 1, equation number 2. From equation 1 we get 3y is equals to 4x plus 4. Then we can write y equals to 4x plus 4 by 3. Now for x is equals to minus 1, y will be minus 4 plus 4 by 3, that is 0 by 3, that is 0. Now for x equals to 2, y is equals to 2 4 is 8 plus 4 by 3, that is 12 by 3, that is 4. Now for x is equals to minus 4, y is equals to, you can write minus 16 plus 4 by 3, that is minus 12 by 3 is equals to minus 4. Okay, then we get a table. Now from equation number 2, we can write 3y is equals to minus 4x plus 20, that is y equals to, we can write minus 4x plus 20 by 3. Now for x is equals to minus 1, y equals to, we get 24 by 3 is equals to 8. Now for x is equals to 2, we get y is equals to 12 by 3, that is 4. Again for x is equals to 5, y is equals to minus 20 plus 20 by 3, that is 0 by 3, that is 0. Again I get another table. Now we plot these points on the graph paper and draw the lines. For the first equation, the first coordinate is minus 1 comma 0, that is x equals to minus 1, y 0, that means in this point. Next point is 2 comma 4, that is x equals to 1 2 and y equals to 4, 1 2 3 4, this point. And the next point is minus 4 comma minus 4, that is x equals to minus 4, 1 2 3 4 and y equals to also minus 4, that is 1 2 3 4, this point. Now we join these 3 points. Now we plot the points from the second table, that is minus 1 comma 8, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this point. And the next coordinate is 2 comma 4, x equals to 2, y equals to 4, this point also. And the next point 5 comma 0, x equals to 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and y 0, that means this point. Now we join these 3 points. This is the intersecting point, and the coordinates of this point is 2 comma 4. So the solution, x equals to 2 and y equals to 4. And the next question, find the area bounded by these lines and x-axis. The region bounded by these 2 lines and x-axis, that is this region, and this is a triangle. Now we have to find out the area of this triangle. Formula of area of triangle is half into base into height. Now what is the height? And this line is height of this triangle, 1 2 3 4. So the height is equals to 4 unit. And then we have to find out the base, and this is 1 2 3 4 5, and this is negative 1. Base is equals to 5 minus minus 1 is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6 unit. So the area of the triangle is equals to half into base 6 into height, that is 4 square unit. Now cancel this, equals to the 12 square unit. That's it. Now we solve sum number 32. Draw the graphs of the equations 5x minus y equals to 5 and 3x minus y equals to 3. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and y-axis. Calculate the area of the triangle so formed. Okay, so the given equations are this and this. Let's solve. Denoted by 1, denoted by equation 2. From the equation 1, y equals to, we can write 5x minus 5. Now for x is equals to 0, y is equals to 5 into 0 minus 5, that is 5. For x is equals to 1, y is equals to 5 minus 5, that is 0. For x is equals to 2, y is equals to 5 into 2, that is 10 minus 5 is equals to 5, and this is minus 5. Then we get a table. Now we solve the second equation. Y is equals to 3x minus 3. Okay, now for x is equals to 0, similarly we get 3 into 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Now for x is equals to 1, y equals to 3 into 1 minus 3, that is 0. Now for x is equals to 2, that is y equals to 3 to the 6 minus 3, that is 3. Draw the table. Now we plot these points on the graph paper and draw the lines. For drawing the graph, first we draw the x-axis and y-axis, and this is the intersecting point of these two axes. This is origin. Now we consider 5 small square is equals to 1 unit. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 small box is equals to 1 unit. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, like this. From the first equation, the coordinates are 0, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this point. And next 1, 0, that is x equals to 1, y 0, that is this point. And next 2, 5, that is x equals to 2, y equals to 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this point. Okay, now we join these 3 points. And now we draw the second equation. The first coordinate of second equation is x0 and y minus 3, that is 1, 2, 3, this point. And next 1, 0, that means this point also. And the third coordinate is 2, 3, that is x equals to 2, y equals to 1, 2, 3, this point. Again join these 3 points, and this is the record graph of the second equation, and this is the first equation. Now the question is, we have to find out the vertices of the triangle formed by these 2 lines and y-axis. That means this triangle, and the vertices is A, B, C, and the coordinate of the vertex A, that is 1, 0, and B is 0, minus 3, and C is 0, minus 5. So the vertices of triangle A, that is 1, 0, B, that is 0, minus 3, and C, that is 0, minus 5. That's it. Now we have to find out the area of this triangle. If we consider this line as base, then this line will be height. So the height is 1 unit and base is 2 unit. So the area is equals to half into base into height square unit. Now we cancel this, equals to 1 square unit. That's it. Now we solve sum number 37.1. Determine graphically the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle, the equations of whose sides are y equals to x, y equals to 2x, and y plus x equals to 6. Let's solve. First we naming the lines is denoted by 1 is 2, equation number 3. Now from equation 1, y is equals to x. For x equals to 0, y will be 0. For x equals to 1, y is equals to 1. For x equals to 2, y equals to 2. So the table will be, now from equation number 2, y equals to 2x. Now for x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Now for x equals to 1, y equals to 2. For x is equals to 2, y equals to 4. Then we get a table. Now x equals to 0, y 0, that is 0, 0. x1, y2, that is 1, 2. x2 y4, that is 2 comma 4. Now we solve for equation number 3. Y is equals to 6 minus x. Now for x is equals to 0, we get y equals to 6. Now for x equals to 1, we get y equals to 6 minus 1, that is 5. Now for x is equals to 2, that is y equals to 6 minus 2, that is 4. So the table will be x equals to 1, 5, that is 1 comma 5, and x equals to 2, y equals to 4, that is 2 comma 4. Now draw the graphs. That is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is origin. And the first coordinate is 0 comma 0, that means at origin. And the second coordinate 1 comma 1, that is x1, y1 also this point. And the next coordinate is 3 comma 3, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this point. Now we join these 3 points. Now we plot the coordinates of second equation. First coordinate is 0 comma 0, that is this point, and second 1 comma 2, that is x1, y equals to 2, that is this point. And the next 2 comma 4, x equals to 2, y equals to 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, this point. We join these points, and this is graph of second equation, and this is the graph of first equation. And now we draw the third equation in the graph paper. The coordinate of third equation 0 comma 6, x 0, y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this point. And the next 1 comma 5, that is x equals to 1, y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this point. And the next 2 comma 4, x equals to 2, y equals to 4, that means this point. Now we join these 3 points. This is third equation. Now we have to find out the coordinates of triangle from these lines, and this is the required triangle, and this is origin, and this is A, and this is B. And the coordinate of A is 2 comma 4, and the coordinate of B is 3 comma 3. From the graph we can say. And the coordinate of origin, this is 0 comma 0. Vertices of triangle are A, that is 2 comma 4, B, that is 3 comma 3, and C, that is 0 comma 0. That's it. In the next class I will solve the simultaneous linear equation by algebraically, that means by algebral method. If you like this video, don't forget to do like, share and comment. And if you newcomers in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.